Monday morning time lapse from Cooper Island, British Virgin Islands. Did see some relatively quiet weather, a little bit of some wind out there, but for the most part, not a whole lot of active weather. Besides some of the cloud cover we have been seeing, actually expecting to see a little bit more in the way of some sunshine here as we continue throughout our evening hours of our Monday. But satellite across the Caribbean is very active off to our west, Puerto Rico, as well as down through the ABC Islands. A little trough of moisture does extend further southward through Panama, Costa Rica, as well as Nicaragua. Expecting to see a little bit more shower and thunderstorm activity there, but Cuba, Bahamas, much of the greater Antilles staying dry. Many places to our south looking relatively dry too as we start off our work week. Tropical weather update from the National Hurricane Center. Do have a 10% chance of formation with this X down here, so not really expecting anything anytime soon. And this one kind of looking like a kidney bean there. That's also a 30% chance of formation for the open waters of the Atlantic as that trough swings further and further east. We're not really expecting much though for our region besides some of the wind and the rain we'll be seeing with that storm system. As we continue over these next couple of days, expect to see the rain become more and more prevalent, especially for the second half of our Tuesday. You can see as it swings on through though, high pressure on the backside, that northerly breeze will keep temperatures a little bit cooler, but that also means as we head for the middle of the week, Wednesday into Thursday, an improving weather picture with more sunshine, less in the way of cloud cover, as well as those showers here region wide, and not a whole lot of active weather throughout the Caribbean in general as we continue for the late week. The greater Antilles looking good, lesser Antilles a few scattered showers, and then out towards our region, kind of a similar story in between that high and low pressure. Futurecast showcasing the clouds as we continue here through our Monday as well as our Tuesday, but Tuesday also brings the threat for some more widespread showers and embedded downpours. Some rumbles of thunder also possible, and those continue here if you head for our Tuesday afternoon. In terms of the rain amounts, could be talking about half an inch, maybe upwards of a quarter, or maybe upwards of an inch in some locations, with some of the heaviest downpours expected to push in here for Tuesday. Future winds kind of variable here with that trough in place, but eventually we'll be seeing kind of a surgence of a northerly wind, and that'll be as we head for our Wednesday time frame. Eventually that wind will die off just a touch, but the wave heights not expected to be anything overly impressive, but nonetheless more of that northerly wind heading for Wednesday will churn up waters, especially north of St. Thomas, east of St. Croix, also those protected harbors as well as the inlets. Not really expecting to see a whole lot of wave action there just because of that wind direction there, especially between St. Thomas and St. Croix. Not expecting a whole lot of active marine weather. 81, 85 for our Tuesday afternoon. Definitely some warmer temperatures, or some cooler temperatures than what we're typically used to because of that rain kind of cooling things down. Over these next few days, 86 degrees for Tuesday, but once we get rid of that rain, yeah, we're off to the pure sun. Wednesday as well as Thursday looking pretty good here. 86 degrees, finally building a little bit more warmth as that northerly wind comes to an end, and that'll be for Friday as well as Saturday, both 88 degrees, looking good as we head into the weekend.
It looks like sunshine is trending soon.
Just get through the rain, we're good to go.